Welcome to the PLTW's POE Unit 1.2.1. This unit will be covering energy sources, specifically non-renewable, renewable, and inexhaustible resources. Now, you have probably have already seen this, so will be an overview since your middle school years. So first off, we got to talk about energy source. What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work, the ability to do something. Now, the energy sources are defined as something that can be create that energy. Now you can have non-renewable sources, renewable, and inexhaustible. The sun is the original source of all energy on Earth, and almost all that energy originates from the sun, and only a fraction of that actually even gets to the Earth. So you can think of it, all energy originally came from the sun. So now let's talk about what is non-renewable. Non-renewable cannot be replaced. Once it's used up in the Earth, it cannot be replaced. You cannot make it more. The most common ones are the fossil fuels. So this is your coal, oil, and natural gas. Okay. Now there's alternative energies that are any fuels that are not identified as fossil fuels. Now another non-renewable energy is uranium. Now this one is used in nuclear energy and fission, and 20% of the world's electricity comes from nuclear power. Now renewable resources are sources that can be replaced by something, such as animals, food, biomass, and biofuel. These are sources that you have to grow, make. They can renew themselves year after year, but they're not necessarily going to be inexhaustible. Something could happen to the animals, something could happen to the food, the biomass, the ethanol, the methanol production. So those are renewable. You have to recreate them. Now, on the other hand, there's inexhaustible. This is something that will never go away. Hydroelectric. You're not going to stop the water cycle from happening. The water will evaporate, go to the mountains, fall down. That's going to happen forever. And so you can put dams up and create hydroelectric dams. Tidal is another one. Geothermal, where I use the heat from the ground to create energy. Wind, and then lastly solar. Okay, and there's several different types of solar. So those are the different types of energy.